Welcome to DryCrete Concrete Waterproofing. DryCrete Concrete Waterproofing is a quality-driven, Australian-owned business. Environment-friendly products, non-toxic, seals and waterproofs cracks up to 4mm. Permanent waterproofing for the life of the structure. Resist extreme hydrostatic pressure, highly resistant to aggressive chemicals and does not break down under or below ground. Installed to either the positive or the negative side, inside the structure or outside. Our recommended services include the permanent cure of rising damp, leaking wet concrete basements, damp and wet concrete cellars, concrete block work, brickwork, leaking concrete water tanks, underground concrete car parks, any wet leaking concrete structure. Proudly celebrating 20 years of service. 25-year warranty with 100% satisfaction guaranteed. DryCrete Concrete Waterproofing, DryCrete Concrete Repair, manufacturers of DCW Crystalline products, Atlantis waterproofing technology, on-site inspections, free quotes. Office number is 0393948643. Mobile contact is 0421 717 175.